Hi, today we're going to walk through how to program the MATelec time switch timer-TS D1 and D2 WF time switches. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This video covers programming only. All wiring diagrams are included with the time switch and the installation must be completed by a licensed electrician. When you first power up or factory reset the time switch, it will launch the setup wizard. It will first prompt you to select your language. Use the arrow buttons to scroll through the available languages and press OK to confirm. You'll then be prompted to choose how you want to complete the rest of the setup. You can either complete the setup using the web interface or you can program the switch directly from the device. For this video, we'll continue with the manual setup using the time switch itself. Next, the onboard setup wizard will ask you to select your operation mode. You can choose from time program, holiday program, or Astro program, and you can choose a combination of any of the three. For this example, we'll use a combined mode with Astro, holiday, and time programs. When we are using a combined mode, holiday programs will take first precedence, followed by Astro and then time programs. First, we set how the time switch behaves at sunset and at sunrise. For example, you might want the relay to turn on at sunset to turn on a light, and then turn off again at sunrise. You can also choose which days of the week this applies to. Next, you can set your offset if required. This allows you to turn on before or after sunrise or sunset. You can also configure an Astro interrupt. This lets you switch the output off or on during a specific time overnight in this example. Now, it'll ask you to set your location. First, select your country and then your city. This will ensure that you have accurate sunrise and sunset times. Now, confirm your date and time are correct and choose your preferred format, 24-hour or 12-hour time. You can also enable automatic daylight savings time. The manual button allows you to override the time switch settings. A short press activates a temporary override, while a long press activates a fixed manual mode. In fixed manual mode, the relay will stay in the change state until changed. To add or edit programs, press and hold the program button. From here you can access time programs, Astro settings, and holiday settings. To create a time program schedule, set your on time, then add a matching off time. If needed, you can enable the Wi-Fi at any time using the OK button. This allows you to connect to the local hotspot and make further adjustments through the web interface. And that's how to program the MATelec Time Switch TS series directly on the device. Simple setup, flexible control. For further information, refer to the supplied documentation or contact the MATelec Australia team.